Welcome. In front of me is an HTC DESIRE 628, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And to get started, all you will need to do is pull this cover off. Now, just be careful, it's made out of plastic and it is, as you can see, kind of flimsy. So try to just pry it off carefully. There we go. As you can see, it is being kind of kept in here, so you don't get to take it out completely or lose it. And from here you have space for SD card right at the lowest point, and then two different SIM cards right here. Now for the SIM card, using your fingernail, you want to take out the tray. As you can see, there it is. And for the SD, all you do is just kind of pop it in here and click it in place. So I'm going to start with the SD card. Looks like it's going this way. Yep. So you put the SD card with the writing facing you when you're looking at the screen, and as you will see right now, it's kind of pushing itself out, as you can see. So all you need to do is push it all the way. There will be a click, and as you can see, it won't come out. Now when you want to take it out again, you're gonna push it again. Actually, there we go. So once you push it in, as you can see, it then comes out. And with the SD card, let's get SIM card. I'm just gonna take out one of the trays, pop the SIM on here, like so, and then put it back into the device. There we go. Now, as you can see, SIM card is already working and it's telling me that it is locked. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to unlock it. So SIM card is working and SD card should be working as well. I'm going to quickly look for storage. There we go, storage and phone. So that's not what I'm looking for. And there we go, SD card. As you can see, both of them are working just fine. And that is how you'd insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.